tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Zebra ZT620 Label Printer, a powerhouse designed to revolutionize your labeling operations. From warehouses to manufacturing floors, this printer is built to withstand the toughest environments while delivering top-notch performance. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this device so special. First off, the Zebra ZT620 is a rugged industrial label printer that supports both direct thermal and thermal transfer printing. This means you can use it for a wide range of applications, from shipping labels to product identification tags, and even compliance labels that require the highest level of durability. The printer delivers high-quality monochrome labels at incredibly fast speeds, with a 3-inch print width that's perfect for most standard label sizes. But what really caught my attention is its ability to produce labels at a rate of up to 14 inches per second, making it one of the fastest printers in its class. Imagine being able to print hundreds of labels in just a few minutes. It's a game changer for businesses that need to move quickly. Another key feature that I want to highlight is the printer's connectivity options. The Zebra ZT620 comes with a range of interfaces, including USB, serial, Gigabit Ethernet, and Bluetooth 4.0. This means you can easily connect it to your computer, network, or even your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to print labels from anywhere. Whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, or an Android device, this printer has got you covered. And with its built-in Ethernet port, you can even share it across your entire network, making it a great option for large-scale operations. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity allows you to print labels wirelessly, which is perfect for applications where cables just get in the way. Now, let's talk about the printer's build quality and durability. The Zebra ZT620 is built like a tank, with a rugged metal chassis that can withstand the rigors of industrial use. It's designed to operate in extreme temperatures, from freezing cold to scorching hot, and it's even resistant to dust and moisture. This means you can use it in a variety of environments, from warehouses to outdoor workplaces, without worrying about it breaking down. And with its high-capacity print head, you can print thousands of labels before needing to replace it, which helps to reduce maintenance costs and downtime. Plus, the printer's intuitive interface and easy-to-use controls make it simple to operate, even for users who aren't tech-savvy. In conclusion, the Zebra ZT620 Label Printer is an absolute powerhouse that's designed to meet the demands of industrial labeling. With its fast print speeds, rugged build quality, and flexible connectivity options, it's the perfect solution for businesses that need to print high-quality labels quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a warehouse manager, a manufacturing supervisor, or a business owner, this printer is sure to become your new best friend. So, if you're looking to take your labeling operations to the next level, be sure to check out the Zebra ZT620. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, your business will thank you, and so will your bottom line. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.